Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. Today, we're diving into something super exciting: how to transfer your assets from Ethereum to Solana in 2025. If you're tired of high gas fees on Ethereum and want to explore the faster, cheaper world of Solana, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need to understand the basics. Ethereum and Solana are both blockchain networks, but they don't speak the same language, so we'll use a bridge to make the transfer seamless. In 2025, popular bridges like Wormhole or Portal have become even more user-friendly and secure, so pick one that's reputable and has good reviews. Step 1. Make sure you have your Ethereum assets in a compatible wallet, like MetaMask or Phantom. These wallets support cross-chain interactions now more than ever. Once you're set, head over to the bridge's website and connect your Ethereum wallet. You'll be prompted to approve the connection. Always double-check for security. Next, select the assets you want to transfer. For example, if you're moving ETH or an ERC20 token, the bridge will convert it to a wrapped version on Solana, like WETH. Enter the amount, review the fees, which should be lower on Solana, and hit confirm. This process might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee while it processes. Once the transfer is complete, switch to your Solana wallet and verify your assets have arrived. Always check the transaction on a blockchain explorer to ensure everything's legit. Remember, in 2025, with advancements in tech, these transfers are quicker, but scams are still out there, so stick to official bridges and enable two-factor authentication. Wrapping this up, transferring from Ethereum to Solana can save you time and money, but it's not without risks like potential losses from bridge hacks. Always do your own research and start with small amounts. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.